Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are ransom note letters. You can easily download from our website. I will provide the link in the description. And here this is the ransom note letters. This is WinRAR file. You need to extract this and you get this folder. And here these are JPG textures. And here are mathematical numbers in PNG format. You can see from 0 to 9. Here from 0 to 9. Each number, and here is some special characters like operators and the asterisk plus minus. So you can see this is the percentage also in PNG format. So same like here, these are ABCD alphabet, A BC, you can see each one have 10 format. And that's in the video. You can easily learn from the link in the description. Just click this link and you'll learn from here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also like this video. Take care.